So he always said, teach your children the importance of life and happiness, not wealth.
British
Petrol station.
no, British Petroleum.
Yeah, but it's not British because they're getting it from Angola and Congo.
Yes, people, you don't know where I go. Look at me, man. Alright, fully active people here. Respect. 24-hour kitchen people here. And good vibes. Oi, people, what I go on. You don't know what I go on. 24-hour kitchen. Fully live, direct, active. Vlog day today, people, yeah. So we're outside today, right now, with our Bromley. We just, you understand? A good vibes. Right, so our good vibes, so I come inside of the Christmas tree. It's festive time here in England, all around the world, people. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of decorations in and out of the place in people's homes on the high street, shopping centres. Big old Christmas tree behind us. Yeah, man, and they're making cakes here as well. Good vibes. Right, so I've just stopped at this chocolate. What is it?
It's, I don't know, it's like marshmallow chocolate.
Marshmallow chocolate?
Yeah.
So different flavours, yeah?
Yeah. So the bottom are like wafers.
Yeah.
Then it's filled up with marshmallow. And this one's like Bailey's, as Bailey's marshmallow. And this one's like mint, so it's mint marshmallow. All of them have different marshmallow flavours.
Okay, so what's this white one here?
This is just white chocolate.
Okay.
This is amaretto, Bailey's, After Eight, Ferrero Rocher, just normal milk chocolate. This is Zebra, which is like milk and white chocolate. This is chocolate orange. This is Oreo. This is coconut, pink gin, and strawberry white chocolate.
Wow, you hear the variations of marshmallows here. White chocolate, zebra chocolate, all different flavours of marshmallows. Good vibes. We're in Bromley, people, just showing you where I go on. Big up yourself, you don't know, 24-hour kitchen. See you later, yeah? All right then, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Behind me here, what you can see is the hot dogs that you can see here. They're German hot dogs, everybody. So good vibes, big up yourself. Just traveling through the town centre. Yeah man, beer things are going on today, people. If you've never been to Bromley in England, yeah man, this is Bromley, people, yeah? Good vibes. As you can see, so the high street has got beer things going in. You come out with the picnic them as well. So you can like just fun shopping for the kids. So you come out shopping, kids them get a little enjoyment as well. As you can see that there's a fun fair behind us as well on the high street. A good vibes, man, a good vibes. The helter-skelter slide, you know. Alright, so look at this. Climb all the way to the top up there. You come whizzing down here. A good vibes. Whoa! Look at that. People, so I'm back in the car now, so we're leaving Bromley. A good vibe, so yeah man, London city people,
Safety
yeah, we just
first, safety first, don't forget.
You say seatbelt?
Safety first.
Yeah man, grab the seatbelt. Alright, so we're there people.
Wherever we're cooking, safety first.
We're on a journey today, people, so
Brixton.
next location, Brixton. A good vibes.
Put the location towards where we're going and we're gonna cover the traffic, please.
Yes people, so that was just a quick little stop there in Bromley car. My brethren was looking for something. He's going to a gold and black party today, so yeah man, we'll look some gold and black, but at the same time we're there, so I'm gonna show you guys Saturday vibes in England, people. Yeah, we just step on the road right now. Yeah man, Sugar P, Ringo Vision. Yeah man, I'm a virgin the road, yes around I back said we are good vibes.
Yeah, see if I'm coming in.
Yes, people, you might hear the sat nav from time to time in the background. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes. If you just, right, Papi, man, you can't miss a turn in them, brother. You can't miss a turn in them. Yes, people, yeah, we're up on the road, look. Bare shake, we're on the road right now in the car. We're trying to leave from Bromley, get out of traffic, and get to Brixton as well, people, at the same time, car. And we need to get there in a certain time as well, car. My brother need to reach the shop. Car, in the same one, car. We say I go later and gold and black party. Bus driver link up today. Yeah man, but a good vibes. Like I said, if it's the first time you're coming in on the program, big up yourself. So what I'm gonna be doing on the program more often now, people, you're gonna be getting some vlogs as well. Ringo Vision out day to day, what's going on in Ringo Vision's life on a day-to-day basis, the fun, excitement, differently from the cooking people, yeah? A good vibe. So yeah man, so if you like the vlogs them, just let me know where I go on. Yeah. Right now we're trying to find a petrol station.
And there's one on the right.
Driving around, look, there we go. Marks and Spencer's, perfect. British petrol
station.
No, British Petroleum.
No, but it's not British because they're getting it from Angola and Congo.
Yeah,
They're supplying them.
Yeah,
If you go to Central London, you go to the Angola consular, you go to ask the embassy.
Yeah, we're pulling up in here.
They trade with Great Britain for the petrol, and then because it's in the border of the water of Congo, Congo gets 40%.
Good vibes. Good vibes, people. Come and put this petrol in this car here. A good vibe. Yeah. Alright, child lock. Where is it?
Petrol.
Petrol, yeah? That is it.
How much am I putting in there, boss?
Yeah, how much should we put in there? Should we put 100 in there?
Yo.
The madness, we say what, £60 even just about
£40.
£40.
Just about 80 pounds.
Okay, mad.
Where am I going to?
Kel, which one was yours?
The cheese on that one.
I don't know which one's which.
Right.
Chips.
Cheese on
Chips.
that
Let me see if I can carry one second. Cheese and onion slice. Cheese and onion slice.
Yeah,
That's it. This is it, baby.
as long as it's not pork, mate.
No pork in there. So it's lunch. Lunch. Ringo got everybody lunch. Good vibes. And got everybody health shots as well. You can.
Huh? Yeah,
But, good vibes.
Bromley.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit to the world. Chopping it up, mate.
Quickly having a quick little pie, innit? Yeah. People, you don't know where I go on, so we just pull up a bit from Sugar P there, just to jump out of the vehicle. Yeah man, a good vibes, we're there right now. So yeah man, just gonna do a little walk around in Brixton and show you where I go on. You know Brixton is known for the agriculture, market side of things, import and export of vegetation, people, yeah? A good vibes. Brixton tube station just right there. Yeah man, Rastafari, don't know anything go.
Where are you, exactly?
This is in the heart of Brixton, everybody. So we've got a Chinese. This is a Chinese restaurant, right? Yeah man, Chinese restaurants, as you can see, a whole range of different Chinese food, egg fried rice, noodles, sweet and sour chicken, beef and black bean sauce. Yeah man, a whole range of variety of food, people. Yeah man, look at all the spring rolls. Yeah man, a good vibes. 24-hour kitchen, we're fully live and active outside. We're in Brixton at the moment. We're just vlogging, showing you different ranges of food in Brixton, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. Yeah man, we're in Brixton right now, in the heart of Brixton, people. Yes, right outside the station. When you come right outside station in Brixton station, you've got arts and crafts right here, roots and culture. Yeah man, you can get your incense, you can get your beads, roots and culture chains, earrings. Yeah man, loads of little things, people. Yeah, you can come and get in Brixton. Brixton is full of multicultural, and various people come from all over the world, people. Yeah, right here in Brixton. Yeah man, our good vibes, good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We're there, so said we have some different arts and crafts here, people. Yeah, there's a different guy here representing. What country you from?
I'm born here. My mum's from Guyana, my dad's Jamaican.
Okay, so we got Guyanese and Jamaican culture here representing, and he's got some beads,
Crystal trees,
some
crystal bracelets,
good vibes. See your people, you can come down to Brixton and get your oils right here outside Iceland, right side of Brixton station, people. Right at the side of Electric Avenue, we've got amazing smells right here. Alive, brother?
Yeah, 100%, my bro.
Alright, cool.
Best
Good.
quality. It lasts over 24 hours.
And where your oils from? Originated?
Some of them from Dubai, some of them from France.
Okay.
We only get the highest quality.
The highest quality of oil.
Highest quality, guaranteed.
And like variation of prices and stuff like that.
Let me show you one in it. Tell them what you think about this one.
This one
Try it on
here.
your hand, dab it on your hand. And then you can smell it.
Nice.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
That will last only over 24 hours.
Alright, people, so look, in Brixton you can come down to Brixton. Brixton is full of multicultural. You can get fruits and vegetables. You can come do your shopping. Yeah man, there's loads of transportation bringing you down to Brixton, everybody. As you can see here, the gentleman here, he's got various different oils. You understand? He said that some of them are from Dubai and some of them are from France. Yeah man, have good vibes. Bless. Yes, people, this is the egg shop. You can come down to Brixton. You say you're doing eggs in bulks, yeah? Yeah. Alright, so look, you can come here and get a variation of organic egg, white chicken, large, extra large, and what's this one? Medium ones, yeah? Yeah, man, a good vibe. So, you know, say Brixton's full of everything, people, yeah? Good vibes. Brixton Market has got everything you need. Look, from if you're going on holiday, shopping, suitcases, to all essentials that you need, like from socks to vest, boxer shorts, yeah man, long johns, everything. We're there, people, yeah? Alright, Brixton Market, a good vibes, South London. Yes, everybody, you know that also you can come down to Brixton. We've got, this is Chinese, yeah? Chinese. You can come to an authentic Chinese shop and get variation of different products as well, everybody here. So in here, look, they're also supplying fish, different fish, different root vegetables as well, everybody. And also you got products from China as well. You can come here and get various different products from around the world. So as you can see that when you come to Brixton, Brixton's offering you a variety of multicultural, everybody. Yeah man, look at here. So here we've got all a variation of Chinese products. Yeah man. Lychee, jackfruit. I love this drink here. This one here, I love this one.
Selassie, yeah. Rastafari, let him be praised and give thanks and praise. And we are at number 19, Electric Avenue. This is Adisa, the herbalist right in Brixton, Electric Avenue. And remember, Brixton, Electric Avenue is the first place to get electricity in England. And we are so special to be here today selling electric foods. And you know what is electric food? The sea mass, the burdock, the bladderwrack, the sarsaparilla root. So we are on Electric Avenue, number 19, selling electric food. And remember, people, health is wealth. Don't work all your life running down the wealth. Finally get the wealth, you have no health. You have to spend all of your earning to get back the health. So come right in Electric Avenue, come to Brixton and see it here. Rasta man I say if you don't purge, you can't pass Zion Gate. And if you purge before you pass Zion Gate. And I don't stay right at the gate so with my rod. So if you don't purge, you can't get it. 3 to 6 tablespoons, 2 times a day, empty stomach. Just before bed, first thing in the morning, so last and first. And during the process you're taking the bitter. Leave out the starch, the rice, the flour, the bread, the wheat, the meat. Yes, no me, no more, no me. Put it aside. Yeah, so after you clean for 9 days, build up the immune system, see it here? See it here? Build forward the immune system. From a simple cold to you know what. Everything. No only juice. Build up back the immune system. Liquid every mucus out of the system. And yes, a lot of the ladies them talking about it. This is what the ladies them want. And this one too. So this one is the dark blood. And for all of the women them who are black through, who can't have a baby, who want to give a little baby and can't have a baby. See the teeth here? Dark blood. And see it here? When you take the dark blood, in order to make the baby, the iron have to up. And the iron have to up. And the iron have to up. Burdock, bladderwrack, sea mass, Jamaican sarsaparilla root. Your iron? Right in the sky, the iron gone. And I'm telling you to wake up. My people, and remember, so we die at number 19, Electric Avenue. I don't think say it done yet? No, it's not done. Jamaica black castor oil. See me? Liquid every pain, every fiber in the belly for the woman them who have giant pain. The fiber where they go on all the problem and something, just get some a Muslim cloth. Rub the black castor oil as warm as you can bear it on the belly and put a hot water bag on it. Liquid the worst of fiber, liquid the worst of pain. Yeah, black castor oil. And we're talking about natural honey, 100%. Right now, any honey right now you're checking at the shop, them are asleep. And see that our honey is alive. No matter how cold, it's alive. 100% straight from Africa. And see it here? Yes, oh yes. Them say it Elal, black seed oil. Every ailment in the ask the Prophet Muhammad. You know that tell us that the only thing it don't deal with that death. But everything else you maintain life. Yes, and see me here? Run out all the bad dopey them can't better than we. A Rasta run every dopey, conqueror, frankincense and more. Frankincense oil. And we have the frankincense too. And we have the myrrh right here for burning in your house and burn out bad mind and burn out envy. And last year, yeah, Rastafari. So let him be praised everything there.
Brixton is such a wonderful place, people. Oh my gosh. If you ever get the opportunity to come to England and get yourself in London, find yourself down to South London, because you're missing something if you don't find yourself in South London, people. Because look here, you come, you get the hot scotch bonnet pepper, everything there, so sugar cane, yam, dasheen, yeah man, Jamaican vibration, African culture, said we are yaso, a Brixton people, yeah. Yam, yeah man, a yam man, a good yam them man. Yeah man, all I yam them good. You have to make you wear them. Brixton indoor market. Just a walk through the indoor market, everybody. I'm not really going to be stopping or anything, just going to be showing you guys, yeah man, the indoor market. Big up yourself. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Inside the indoor market you got fishmongers here. Good. So the indoor market is packed with a variety of different culture. You can also come in here and get something to eat as well, everybody. Yeah man, good vibes. Different variations of restaurants, food. Yeah, good vibes. So we've got a bathroom down there that you can use as well if you're here inside of the indoor market. Also the restaurants, they have facilities, bathrooms and things like that as well, people. So you can come in, you can come and shop, you can come and get different things from around the world. Just culture, arts and craft, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Brixton village, everyone. So it's an amazing place. You need to come down to Brixton and check out the village. Also the high street, Brixton market itself. But coming to the village, people, yeah, the village has got a range of different shops and variety of things offering you somewhere to eat, somewhere to drink, somewhere to shop. A good vibes. 24-hour kitchen. Brixton, we're there. That's where we're just inside of here, Brixton Village. Yeah man, we just took a trip through Brixton Village. as you can see, we got the market just opposite the village people. Look, you got a fabric shop here as well. Yeah man, top gifts as well, next fabric shop, and different things, pots, pans, good vibes. Butchers over here. Yeah man, Brixton tube station there, and then we've got Electric Avenue. Let's go back and check Adisa Barber people here and our good vibes, and it's almost home time. Big up yourself. Today we was in Bromley, left from Bromley. We're now in Brixton. We're gonna be leaving Brixton soon, and it's soon home time people, yeah? Our good vibes. There's so much different fruits and vegetables in Brixton. Everybody's offering almost the same things, but everybody's got different qualities, you understand? And some things are from Jamaica, some things are from Barbados, St. Lucia, Africa, Asia, yeah man, China, all over the world people, yeah? Brixton is a great and amazing place to be doing your shopping people, yeah? Especially when it comes to agriculture, buying natural, organic produces people, yeah? Good vibes. So,
I said, let his name be praised. Selassie, Rastafari, cut and clear Kadamawi. Selassie, Rastafari, give thanks and praise, oh Kadamawi. And bless up everyone, Joe, all over the world.
The music career and everything in there. That's the whole world know him in short. And the real why right now him music loud. Loud at the place, steady down see I heard. I the Selassie the name of praise no one for even being everlasting. Or I'm like X Gabber, or the Yeta get a better Cheba, or all the King.
Selassie, yeah. The ultimate, you know, the roots tonic, you know. Rise all out they sleep. Wake up and work.
No.
Straight up.
What that?
And if they want the prayer, they have to check the priest to sanctify them. If they still can't wake up.
What that?
yes everybody, so we're joining here with Adisa Barber, live here in Electric Avenue in Brixton. Adisa Barber has dedicated his life and his time and his energy people here into a healthy and a natural lifestyle, into serving the people and making sure that each and every one of us is having the right intakes of nutrition into our body so that our body can carry out our daily tasks effectively, and so that our body can also fight the diseases that are put out here to hold us down and destroy us mentally, physically and spiritually. So Adisa Barber, tell us a little bit about the journey.
Well, the journey, it has been a very long one, you know. We've been doing this from we were a very little baby. From we cry out of our mother womb. We were sent here to do a duty, not even a work.
A duty?
Most likely a duty, because we don't get paid for what we do. We just do the Almighty works.
Right.
And the Almighty instruct us to use the herbs as the healing of the nation.
Right.
To heal all the animal and all the human with all the herbs and the roots and the juice and the total cleansing. And you're correct in terms of minerals and nutrition. At the moment, we as a person is 102 minerals.
102.
That make us up. Yeah? So the B1, B6, B12, the iron, the magnesium, the calcium, etc., etc., etc. We need it. And how are we gonna get it if we don't do the right thing or eat the right thing or consume the right thing? How are we gonna get it? So that is why I'm here. That's the far right.
Give thanks. So Adisa, how long have you been on the journey?
Well, I could say since about 98, I really on a serious journey. Because I saw my granddad in 1995, he had prostate cancer.
Right.
And that prostate cancer, when I used to be the one who take him to the doctor.
Right.
And trust me, When I go to the doctor, I get so much pills and medicine. And he was in so much pain, I could never forget that. That prostate cancer, every turn he turn on one side is pain. Pain, pain. He can't urinate, he can't go to the toilet. And I said, the Almighty, what is this? So that put me on a search. Because the only thing I see could help him when he is all those pain, all that pain, was the noni juice. At that time, we used to tie the noni in a little bag, plastic bag, let it drip in another bag, and the juice, we would give him the drink to drink, and when he drink that noni juice, about 15-20 minutes after that, he'd fall asleep. And normally couldn't sleep night and day. So that taught me a whole lot, that the herbs was always be the healing of the nation. And another one that we always use was the blue vervine. The blue vervine, I didn't even know what it was good for at the time, but I just know that it was good.
Right.
The blue vervine.
Right.
So when I do a research now, I see how important is the blue vervine and the central nervous system. And to we as a person, if we don't have no central nervous system and the nervous system is not good, problem. The problem is knocking on, lurking on the door like that. So that was where it bring us from then to now.
Right. So Adisa, from then until now, what's the conclusion of the whole factors of having a healthy lifestyle?
Well, having a healthy lifestyle is something that's more important, more than diamonds and golds and rubies. Because health should be the wealth. Health should be the wealth. You know what? We spend all our life chasing the pound and the pence. And yes, we get the pound and the pence now. We have loads of it in the bank or wherever you choose to save it. And you know what happened? The health goes. So you finally get the wealth, but there is no health. And you know what? You would spend the last drop of that wealth to gain a good day of health. Which reminds me of that famous Steve Jobs, the man that designed the Apple computer. And his sick bed, he was confessing and know that the health should be the wealth, because it doesn't matter if a man wear a $5,000 watch and a man wear a £10 watch. It still the same time. So he always said, teach your children the importance of life and happiness, not wealth.
Yes, everybody, as you heard from Adisa himself. So we have to give thanks for the herbs, for the medicine them, for the natural roots people, yeah. So Adisa, give thanks for the time as well, for taking the time out just to give the people them the message all over the world. So big up yourself, people. If you ever find yourself in Brixton, you know where Adisa Barber is. He's right here at Electric Avenue, people, yeah, here in Brixton. So you walk through the market, and there's various things to come and check out in the market, but make sure say you come and do a check in upon your health, because that is your what? Your wealth.
And we are at Adisa Herbal.com. Yeah. We are on Instagram, and this is our email. We are number 19 Electric Avenue in Brixton. And remember, historically, Brixton, Electric Avenue, the first place to get electric in the United Kingdom, in the UK, is Electric Avenue. And we are right here selling electrical food. Yeah, fonio, quinoa, soursop leaf, all the ingredients that you have a healthy lifestyle. We have it right here. Guinean weed, king of the forest herbs. And you see that herb here? It not been mentioned by a lot of people. The name is the king of the forest. Yes, king of the forest. It's good for every bacteria, syphilis, gonorrhea. Yeah? Yeah? MRSA. Yeah? Good for skin, good for ringworm. It good for... Listen to me, the ladies, you see this one? And the dark blood herb, it will combine and get rid of the worst of blockage in the system and build up the immune system. Firm and strong. And see me here? Soursop leaf. Yeah? Yes. Soursop leaf. I did say that. Yes? Guinean weed. You see them tree there, people? Health is wealth. Don't promise you good in nothing at all. Remember, the health is wealth.
Yes, people, you don't know where I'm going. Look at the man. Alright, fully active people here. Respect. 24-hour kitchen people here. A good vibe. What me say? A good vibe. Outside. No?
Outside. One of the pot on him back.
So right now, we're coming out of Electric Avenue, the entrance to Electric Avenue. Yes, people, big up yourself, Brixton. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe. As you can see, it's mad busy out here as well. Really busy as well, people, yeah. Evening right now. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Home time right now, people, yeah. A good vibes until next time. Good vibes. That's Brixton Town Hall there, right in front of us. We've got the Brixton Ritz Cinema there, right in front of us as well. Yeah, man, a good vibes. It was a good day today. Yeah, man. This is Coal Harbour Lane there, Brixton.